Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guide. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Let's talk about when should you tip your driver. Dara recently said that, tipping is optional.
Yeah, he said he gave some ideas about when to tip, how to tip. Dara, I was off last week. You got away with that segment of yours with your mother when you were interviewed by the CBS reporter. So your mother said, look, she said, I don't even go by Starbucks in that interview because it's too expensive. And Dara said, mother, how could you say that? This is on the interview. You guys can go check it out. He said, mother, Starbucks is an Uber Eats customer. You don't say things like that. And so that goes to show how cheap these people are, would make it $40 million a year. So when you tip your Uber driver, when to tip your Uber driver, according to Uber CEO Dara Khosrowshahi, many gig workers rely on customers' tips to make profit on apps like Uber. Correct. Uber CEO Dara Khosrowshahi has advice on when to leave a tip for your ride-hailing driver. Here it comes. This is his advice, folks. Riders should leave a gratuity if you feel you got your money's worth and then some. Dara, you have no dog in this fight, so back the F off. He told CBS Sunday Morning. That was during that interview too. Uber CEO Dara Khosrowshahi has weighed in on one of the gig economy's most contentious issues: when customers should tip. Let's go to the next one. He goes, for gig workers driving people to the airport or delivering restaurant food, tips are sometimes the difference between trips with thin earnings margins and more profitable ones, 100%, especially on delivery. And he said tipping is entirely optional. But if you feel like you got a good ride, if the service quality was terrific, then you can tip through the app. Dara, the service quality is in the shit, is in the toilet, Dara. That's because you're scratching the bottom of the barrel and you're putting these people on the platforms who burn themselves out in 6 to 8 months, and then you have to replenish the driver base every 6 to 8 months. There is no service left other than I swear, Chris, other than our chat here and our driver community, reasonably professional drivers, clean cars, it's just gone to shit. It's not there. And he shouldn't say this because he knows why people are not tipping, by the way, because the fares have gone up so much that people have no room to tip. He should fucking say that. But with his two-face, he said during this CBS interview, Miss Kent asked him the question. He said, well, the fares have gone up a lot over the last 5 years. And he admitted, yes, they have. He says, well, there is inflation, he said. And he says, because we have to pay our drivers more to keep pace with inflation. Truly, that's what he said in the fucking interview. That's what he said. I'm expecting him to say.
He blamed the higher prices on driver earnings.
He did.
Bullshit. Bullshit.
It's there. Go watch it.
I know, but I will resort you to Len Sherman's, wonderful deep dive into upfront fares and the change there. I will also point you in the direction of the Gridwise report, using millions of data points, and then even the Oxford study, which backed it all up. I'm sorry, but the proof is being shown right there, and Uber is just trying to gaslight everybody by saying, "Oh yeah, it's we have to pay drivers more." Bullshit.
Well, what does Uber complain about the most, Chris? Commercial insurance, right? So
no,
I'm expecting him to pay drivers.
How much they have to pay drivers? Commercial insurance.
Yeah. Well, I was expecting him to say, yeah, commercial insurance rates is out of control. That's why the fares have gone up. No, he blatantly said we have to pay drivers more and there's inflation and that's why we're charging more. That's what he said. And I was like, what the frick? So, Dara, come on, man. You know the reality. You know the truth. Don't go bullshit some CBS reporter. Come bullshit me over here. Come on. Come on down. Come now.
They'll be scared of the pushback.
Whatever, bro. We burned that bridge a long time ago, sir.
Yeah. All right. Thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.